Hello guys, welcome to another video. This is going to be very simple. So I have a script here, which is the shake camera script. Let me just set it on this size. This script is very simple. I will attach the link on the description so you can download it if you want. This script you can call it from anywhere because it is static. And we will do is just a simple shake camera. Let me just explain a little bit. We will need a Cinemachine. We just have to declare some variables here. And on the update method, once you call the shake script, it's going to be true. I do this every time because sometimes you work with different Cinemachine cameras and you have to touch each one of those cameras if you do it on another way. So, for example, I have a video game with you change the screen and you change to another virtual camera, and this will fix the problem of trying to find the camera. So, every time you called the shake method, you will find the Cinemachine virtual camera, it will find the basic multi-channel per link, that's gonna be the one you needed. It's gonna set the intensity, do the vibration or the shake for the duration you set it up here. And then once the duration is off, it will come back to normal again. So let's do the setup for this script. First of all, as I told you before, you need the virtual camera. So just add the Cinemachine virtual camera here. As you saw before, you need to tag the virtual camera. So I just tag it here. I have it ready. On the noise part of the Cinemachine virtual camera, you need to add the basic multi-channel per link. This one is the one who will allow us to do the shaking. Just put 60 shaking. The amplitude, just set it on to 0, and the frequency gain, I put it on 5. I found this combination to be the most likely. And that's the only thing you know. You need to attach the shake camera script that I provide you. You need to put it anywhere, but I usually put it on the main camera. And we just do a very simple script on the player controller. So we can just call the method. On the update, let's do here. And that's all we need to have. We come back to our Unity. And let me check if it's everything okay. The main camera, the player, and script. Okay, this should work. So as you see, it works every time. You can have this, you can call this method from any script you have. If the enemy is shooting you or if he's falling or whatever it happens, you just call it and we'll do the shake camera. And that's it, it's very simple, and thank you for watching.